The tech world is buzzing, and Google might just be about to flip the script on the Pixel lineup. Reports are hinting at something we haven't seen before. A major hardware shakeup that could make the Pixel 11 series the most intriguing phones of the year. From lightning, fast 5G connections to AI-powered smarts that feel almost futuristic, this isn't just another Pixel launch. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's start with the display. Rumors suggest the Pixel 11 Pro XL will sport a massive 6.88-inch LTPO OLED screen, boasting a buttery, smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Every swipe, scroll, and tap could feel shockingly fluid, almost like the screen is reading your mind. Outdoor visibility is expected to get a huge boost with insane brightness levels, and the design might lean into ultra slim bezels paired with a premium glass and metal finish. If true, this could easily make the Pixel 11 Pro XL feel like the most polished phone Google has ever released. Now, let's dive into the camera setup because, as always, this is where Pixel phones truly shine. Rumors indicate a triple lens system, including a 50MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens for breathtaking wide shots, and a periscope telephoto lens capable of up to 5x optical zoom. On the front, we might see a 4.2 50MP selfie camera with AI, enhanced image processing, cinematic video stabilization, and maybe even up to 100x hybrid zoom. Night photography could reach levels previously unseen on a smartphone, making your low-light shots look almost professional. Under the hood, Google is expected to push the envelope with the Tensor G6 chip, built on a 4nm process. Performance jumps, smarter AI, and efficiency gains are all on the table, with Google-exclusive features like real-time translation, advanced voice recognition, and smarter on-device AI tools. Rumors also suggest a switch to MediaTek's new M90 modem, potentially ditching Samsung's Exynos chips. This modem promises 12 Gbps peak download speeds, dual 5G dual active support, and even satellite connectivity, which could keep you online in the most remote areas. If these leaks hold true, Pixel 11 might offer the fastest and most reliable connectivity we've ever seen on a Google phone. Battery life is rumored to be equally impressive, with a 5,500 mAh pack and support for 4.5W wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. In theory, you could charge your earbuds or smartwatch in a pinch, which is a huge convenience. Add to that Gorilla Glass Victus protection, IP68 water and dust resistance, ultra-wideband support, and possibly even a satellite SOS feature, and the Pixel 11 Pro XL starts to feel more like a tech Swiss Army knife than just a phone. On the software front, the device is expected to ship with Android 15, along with a jaw-dropping 7 years of software and security updates. That's longer than almost any Android device out there and gives Google a clear edge over competitors when it comes to longevity. It's not just about hardware upgrades. Google is doubling down on a software experience that feels futuristic while remaining intuitive and fun. But here's the part that might get Pixel fans really excited. The potential partnership with MediaTek could mark a turning point for Google's approach to modems and connectivity. Satellite support, dual active 5G, and AI-enhanced optimizations could make the Pixel 11 series the most connected, most efficient, and perhaps most versatile lineup Google has ever produced. It could even put pressure on Apple and Samsung to rethink their own 5G strategies, especially with how competitive the modem space is becoming. Of course, none of this is confirmed yet, but the leaks are painting a picture of a Pixel series that could finally push boundaries in design, performance, and connectivity all at once. From a tech enthusiast perspective, these developments are incredibly exciting. Because we're not just talking about incremental updates, we might be seeing a platform that sets the stage for the next 5 years of smartphone innovation. So, what do you think? Could the Pixel 11 series be the game changer Google needs to finally outshine Apple and Samsung in key areas like cameras, AI, and network performance? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you're hyped, And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're the first to catch all our updates on the next big smartphone shakeups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we break down every Pixel 11 rumor in even more detail.